Alright, let's check in on Beaker and see what he's up to. Here's Beaker. Recent guest. Ed from Pennsylvania. Awesome. Thanks, Ed. Gino from Italy. Hey, what's up? What is up? Tiago from Brazil. Nice. Live and learn. Good motto. Andre from Moscow. Good day. It's Australian. Good day. 73. I don't know what that is. Rick from Australia. Nice. Nice. Harvey from Australia. G'day from down under. Javier Alonso Valenzuela from Mexico. Oh, that's my friend. Hey, Javier. Good friend, old friend, 30 years. Henry from Shanghai. Hello, Clayton. Your fun board is fantastic. Awesome. Mihai from, I don't even know where that is. Hello. Well, hello. I got to figure out where that one is. Joe from Washington, D.C. What's up, Joe? Oh, I know who that is. Scott from, New Mexico. This is very cool. I think it is. Rob from Central Illinois. Super awesome website and products. Cool. Thanks, Rob. Bart from Ohio. Cool. I like your fractal tree. I have one too. Yeah, I love those fractal trees. Peter from Thailand. Interesting. Good. Benas. I don't know. From Lithuania. Super. Sam from Canada. Very cool. Somebody from Earth. Foo. Idar from Russia. I like your channel. Well, thank you. Daniel from Colombia. Ankit from India. I really like your tutorial. Thanks. I'm glad you liked it. El Jefe from Mexico. The boss. The boss of Mexico. Probably the president of Mexico views my channel. Hola. Hola, el presidente. Jeff, the doghouse. I'm okay. Oh, that's Jeff the dog. Elaine from PCB Way. What's up, Elaine? She's my rep at PCB Way. Okay, here's somebody from Colombia. Widelto from Colombia. Hola a todos. Hello, everybody. And Daniel from Kenya. Wow, from Kenya, Africa. Expressive boards rock. Muskrat love. Okay, I think I know who that is. Robert from Latvia. Pretty cool. Alright, that's the most recent guest. Going from Ed all the way to Robert. Beaker loves you all.